Pre-printed Swagat account opening form, new format with only one customer signature. New format, changes and benefits. The number of customer signatures required is only one. The number of pages to be printed for the pre-printed is 1, which is to be printed both sides. The AOF is RBI compliant. Almost the entire form is pre-printed, which reduces the possibility of errors. PGK acknowledgement and Aadhaar seeding form remains unchanged. Customer profile, Swagat, AOF, pre-printed. All the details in this form will be pre-printed based on the data entry in Glow. Customer declarations. There are 19 customer declarations which are a part of the AOF. This is listed on the first page. FATCA declaration. FATCA declaration is filled in Glow and auto-fetched in the printed AOF. For low-risk GL customers, it will be mostly no. In case the customer says yes, confirming that he or she has taxable income in any country, then mention the name of the country. At the time of opening savings account, FATCA details are auto-fetched from Glow in the printed AOF. Form 60. Pre-printed form which is to be left blank in case PAN card number is available. In case PAN number is not provided by the customer to the bank, the details will be pre-filled on the Form 60. PAN acknowledgement number and date of application to be mentioned if available with the customer. Note, this should be left blank if PAN is available. Income details in agriculture and non-agriculture should be filled as per customer declaration. Section 8 and 9 Nomination. All values will be pre-printed if the customer has given the nomination in the handheld device. Staff should check here that if the customer is unmarried, then the nomination cannot be spouse or children. In case the nominee is a minor, we need to mention the guardian name, age, and address details. The FATCA CRS and nomination declaration. The first checkbox is to be selected only in case Form 60 is filled, which is in case the PAN number is not provided by the customer to the bank. The second checkbox and the third checkbox is to be selected for all the cases. Note, the FATCA CRS and nomination declaration is not optional and has to be selected in all cases. Aadhaar as an OVD or Aadhaar as an authentication declaration. If customer provide Aadhaar as an ID and address proof, an account is opened through eKYC process. Option 1 is to be selected. If customer provide Aadhaar as an ID and address proof, an account is opened through non-eKYC process, option 2 is to be selected. Vernacular declaration and customer signature. The first checkbox is to be manually selected. Mention the customer preferred language in which the customer was explained about the declarations and the conditions. Capture customer signature in the box. Note, the details mentioned above cannot be left blank and are mandatory to be filled by the staff. Section 10 and 11. Staff Declaration. Declaration has to be signed by the sourcing staff. The employee ID will be pre-printed from the system. Staff has to clearly sign after explaining the conditions to the customer in the preferred language. Note: this section cannot be left blank and will be considered as an error, and AOF will not be accepted by the backend team. Also, the branch will have to collect the AOF again from the customer. Section 11. For office use only. This section has to be pre-filled and is not required to be filled by the staff. Things to remember. All customers whose account is opened needs to sign the pre-printed AOF form. Only one customer signature is required on the second page of the form. The rules as per PGK acknowledgement and Aadhaar seeding remains unchanged. All entries highlighted in green in the presentation needs to be filled mandatorily. Customers who have given PAN details are not required to fill Form 60. In case the customer does not have PAN card, mention Form 60 in the available space in the KYC detail section. PAN acknowledgement number and date of application in Form 60 to be mentioned if available with the customer. Note: this should be left blank if PAN is available. In FATCA CRS declaration, select the correct option from yes or no after asking the customer. In FATCA CRS declaration, in case the customer says yes, confirming that he or she has taxable income in any other country, name of the country is required to be filled. Agriculture and non-agriculture income details in Form 60 should be filled as per customer declaration. Tick mark declaration check boxes to be marked for all applicable options.